Hello, YouTubers. This is Trainman122.
I'm Trainz at Trainz.
Yes, we're still, doing the throwing train cars thing. I got me a crane, and a gondola with some wheels and cans and ties, and I don't know exactly, But this will be thrown onto. This will be thrown onto the Dash 8s, and that will become the maintenance train. Yes, it will be thrown onto the maintenance train. This is where uncouple it, throw it in reverse, and floor it. I have already took. I really have nothing to add to this. Do that again. It was funny. Alright. Back to the matter at hand.
Oh, I thought you stopped recording.
No, I'm still recording. Alright, here we go. And stop! Come on, stop! Stop, I say, stop! Oopsie. There it goes flying into the yard. Man, can I catch it? Come on. Got it.
That was a close one.
Not a close one. It's just coasting into the yard, going really fast. I believe this is an Erie. It said Erie something.
Erie.
Here, hang on. Let me.
Live near Lake Erie or what?
Let me just. I can't do that with two hands, or I can't do that with one hand.
That's why you have two.
Sorry about that. Yes, I may have two, but I was using one to hold up the camera. What do we have here?
Attention YouTubers, I'm going to get some Coke.
He likes Coca-Cola. Not the drug, the drink. Let's see, what's it say? The Bicerus Erie 250-ton crane. Oh, here we go. There. Wasn't that awesome?
Freaking awesome, man.
He doesn't even know what I just did.
Nope.
Alright. Well.
Now, being on the opposite side of the nation.
Yes, he's in Cali.
And, let alone opposite corner. Nation, it's kind of hard to see what you're doing from where I live. But, that's just me.
Not if you had like a mega telescope that could bounce off a satellite.
Still, you have that curvature of the Earth problem, so.
Anyway, what, you can't hack into a military satellite? Oh.
Oh, hell no.
Alright. Let's get back to this. Time to throw. What were these called? I don't remember what they're called. But that is not important right now.
Anthony?
Yes?
Describe the cars to me.
They're yellow. They have a rail up the center. It's like a tall wall right in the center.
Oh, wall right in the center.
It's owned by TTX. You normally put large pieces of lumber that are bagged.
Oh, center beams.
Center beams, yes. Let us go with center beams. Now, here we go. Alright. Let's put a little sound effect on this one. We may lose Travis for a little bit. I don't know why. It just happens. Here we go.
Bye-bye.
Oh my. Forgot to throw the switch. Stop! There we are. Now we got flying in. Whee! We're riding on it. Ooh, what's this say? Wow, what detail. Avoid tipping accidents by keeping load about the same level on each side of the car during loading and unloading. 73 inches to 0 inches between bulkhead. Wow. Oh, here they come. We're about to hit the wood chip cars. See? Now that was perfect.
Hello, I am back.
Yes, I'm sure you are. Alright.
Oh,
Well, we had one with sound effects. Now I gotta get this one on the road.
excuse me for a sec.
I need to throw the train cars before the timer runs out.
Ding, 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 ding.
Give it a haircut. That was nice.
Was that a shave and a haircut?
It was supposed to be, but somehow the horn got meshed together.
I heard wow, 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 wow.
Yeah, that's my bad. I don't know. I really don't care. The stupid horn can be stupid on its own time.
You're still recording, right?
Yeah, I am.
Hello, YouTube.
He likes my intro.
Oh, yeah. Hello, YouTubers. This is TrainMan122. I am here. That's your intro.
Yes. Mostly I say I am here, and then I name where I am.
Even if you're in your room.
No, not really. No.
Yes,
Okay,
you
yeah,
did.
I do.
In one of your Trainz videos, you said, hello, YouTubers. This is TrainMan122. I'm here. Oh, yeah, I'm going to go to it right freaking now.
He's probably gonna listen to one of my videos any second now.
Well, hey, I got to get to your channel.
Well, hang on. I gotta finish this. Okay, we're already in the 9 minutes region.
9? Let's see here. Is this it?
And then throw the train cars.
I'm proud to announce my first
Wait, that's not it.
deal.
That's not it. Okay,
Yeah.
wait it.
Anyway.
Wait, hang on!
Well, I just threw the train cars, and I gotta pay attention to them. Hopefully they can get down there in under 30 seconds. If not, then you guys can just use your imagination.
Alright, people, listen, this is him. This is one of his TRS videos.
Hello, YouTubers. This is TrainMan122. I'm here with...
He even says I'm
I have to cut it off now.